Hello, young lords and learners. Good morning. I am. Good morning. Welcome to my session. I am going to talk about the intended of Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Uh, Today, the intended is one of the important female characters of Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, a great modern novel. Intended is a mistress of courage who is an agent of the company in the INA station of the Congo in Africa.
Hello.
The intended is a different female character. She is the embodiment of a European lady, while the negress of Africa is the embodiment of uncivilized, illiterate, and savage woman. There is a contrast between the intended of Europe and the women, the negress of Africa. The intended lives in Europe. She lives in her own world. She lives in ideal world of her own. She has ideal character for Mr. Kurz in her heart. She is antithesis to the negress who is a savage woman in Congo, Africa. Marlowe tells about the intended that she is a different woman. She lives in her own world. She lives in the world of her dreams. Marlowe says in the novel, it is queer how out of touch with truth women are. They live in a world of their own. This applies to the intended in the novel. Marlowe is also of the view that women have their own world. They are out of the touch of reality and actuality of life. At other place, Marlowe talks about the intended in the novel. She, the intended, is out of it completely. They, the women, I mean, are out of it. Should be not out of it. We must लाइट चला गया. We must help them to stay in the beautiful world of their own. बंद करना. Lest ours gets worse. The intended is a spiritual figure. She She is seen in her mourning black garments. Thus, she seems to be associated with the world of the dead. But Marlowe looks into her appearance, the image of the negress woman, negress whom he had seen standing on the river bank in Congo, in Africa. The gesture of despair on the face of the intended reminds Marlowe of the same gestures on the face of the Negro woman. But the intended seems to be more pathetic and tragic. There is a touch of humanity in her. However, she is to be more pathetic and tragic. There is a touch of humanity in her. She is sad and in some respects as hollow as the white agents in the Congo, in Africa. It is her apparent human touch that prompts Marlowe to tell her what she wants to hear. The words of Karj, the last word Karj pronounced was your name, means the name of the intended, the woman. With all this, the intended is away from the darkness implicit in man's world. The intended is a spiritual figure who cherishes an idealistic illusion of the beauty of Karj's character. This illusion brings back to Marlowe the final invocation of Karj, the horror Karj speaks. These words emphasize the meaninglessness and futility of the truth to a woman who has no real self and who has sacrificed all that is living in order to believe in a dead ideal. Perhaps Marlowe is more aware of the idealness of the intended. So he tells a lie to keep her in the dark. I could not tell her. I would have been too dark together. The intended is so thunderingly exalted a creature as to be altogether deaf and blind to anything but heavenly sights and sounds. So Marlowe's lies becomes a saving illusion which may be interpreted as ironically redemptive. It redeems the intended. She becomes happy. She thinks that Karj pronounced her name for the last phase or in the last phase of his life. She is very happy that Karj takes her name at the time of his death. So Karj, the intended, is an important female character of Heart of Darkness. Thanks a lot.